The Rebbe learns us, from now I'm going to be good. Not, I'm such a shlamazlan, I'm such a failure, and I do sins, and I'm going to places, not good places, that are stupid, married people. You have a wife, young couples, about the man. You have a wife, you have kids, you are crazy, you are sick in the head. You are crazy, you're going to theaters to watch bad things. You're going to I don't want to talk because there's Bucheram, the idle Bucheram. No, going to schmitzige Plätze, dirty places. You're crazy. You're crazy. Yeah, but this person thinks I'm a mile. He's a lamb. I'm a mile fail, and I'm a mile. I didn't gonna get oilam habu, and I'm I macht it with the finger. So let's enjoy this few years here. No, you could start now to be a tzaddik. You could start now, do Tshuvah. Yeah, what's a Tshuvah? Tshuvah, it's a hard thing. You have to fast. What's a Tshuvah? Tshuvah is a hard thing. You have to fast. Tshuvah take a split second. Make it like this. Hashem, I want to be good. Hashem, I want to do Tshuvah. I don't want to do this bad things. I want to be good.